If you are encountering Roblox error code 286, which says your device does not have enough memory to run this experience, here is how to fix it. First, close all background apps. Many apps running in the background can consume your device RAM. Swipe up or use your multitasking menu to close unnecessary apps and free up memory. Next, clear the Roblox app cache. Open your phone settings, go to Apps, App Management, find Roblox in the list, tap on Storage, then clear cache. This helps clear temporary files that could be using up your device resources. Check your device storage space. Insufficient storage can also cause memory related errors. Go to your phone's storage settings and delete unused files, apps, or media to free up space. Restart your Android device. A simple reboot can clear temporary memory and fix minor glitches, allowing Roblox to run properly. If the problem continues, check if your device meets Roblox minimum requirements. Older or low specification devices might struggle to handle larger games. If possible, consider upgrading your device for a better gaming experience. Finally, update the Roblox app, visit the Google Play Store, search for Roblox, and make sure you are running the latest version, as updates often include performance improvements. By following these steps, you can resolve error code 286 and enjoy your Roblox experiences without interruptions. If this guide helped, like, comment, and subscribe for more solutions.